Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making an unboxing for two things I picked up in Denver at where the wild things are. King Max, his tail, his hood. That's that one. And then Michelin Ness Avalanche hat. I got this when I went to the game. Blue brim, red crown. It says Avalanche. Color in white and black. Colorado in black and blue. Blue button. Blue Michelin Ness. Blue snaps. Green under. Got the NHL sticker right there. Let's try it on. That fits nicely. So that has been my last two pickups or unboxings. King Max and a Michelin S Avalanche hat. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.